When it comes to your vehicle, you want more than just a mechanic. You want a team you can trust. That's exactly what you'll find at Tulsa Auto Fix. As a trusted auto repair shop in Tulsa, Oklahoma, we're committed to providing honest service, accurate diagnostics, and quality repairs that help keep you safely on the road. Whether you're dealing with an unexpected issue or simply staying ahead of routine maintenance, our experienced technicians are here to help. We proudly offer full-service auto repair, handling everything from tune-ups and brake repairs to complex mechanical diagnostics. No matter what you drive, we take the time to properly identify the problem and recommend solutions you can feel confident about. If your vehicle is experiencing performance issues, our expert engine repair and replacement services can help restore power, reliability, and peace of mind. We also specialize in transmission repair and replacement, providing dependable solutions for one of your vehicle's most important systems. Looking to prevent costly repairs down the road? Our comprehensive maintenance packages are designed to keep your car running smoothly, mile after mile. At Tulsa Auto Fix, we believe auto care should be simple and stress-free. That's why we offer convenient scheduling, transparent estimates, and friendly service that treats every customer like family. Call today and discover why so many drivers trust us to keep their vehicles running at their best for every mile ahead.